Hi, welcome back to another MeasureSquare Stone tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to edit and import your countertop cuts from Microsoft Excel into the slab optimizer in MeasureSquare Stone. Here in Excel, you can see a list of my countertop cuts and their details, such as names, product, and dimensions. It is very important that your spreadsheet is correctly formatted in order to make sure that your data is imported. To ensure that you're using the right format, you can open MeasureSquare Stone, then go to Slab Optimizer, then click on Export to Excel. This will create an Excel spreadsheet with the correct format. In the spreadsheet, you can add your stone cuts and edit their details in the sheet. For example, I'll change the dimensions of my cut here from 6 foot 5 inches to 8 feet 5 inches. Then I'll save the file. In MeasureSquare, I'll click on Import Excel and select my file. You can see that my updated cut shows up here with a length of 8 foot 5 inches. To finish off, I'll click on Start Cut right here to visually render my cut sheet. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.